Can you really make $100,000 a week without using Clickbank? What the? Let me explain just how to do it in this video right now. Let's go! These are some different people making money on Clickbank. Okay, it's so possible to make money on Clickbank and all these other sites. And I'm gonna tell you exactly what to do in this video of how to do it. Let's dive right in. 350 people made money with this in the last little while. I'm gonna show you some more strategies you can make money other than Clickbank. I know a lot of people be saying Clickbank's a great way to make money. There's a lot more ways. And a lot of these offers, you can go into one niche and there's just a bunch of offers in one niche. And I recommend promote a bunch of offers inside one niche. Why not, right? Because a percentage will always buy this one, percentage will always buy that one. So literally promote as many as you can. Education right here. Boom, 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 boom. You will make money with these offers if you promote them, especially the ones at the top. If I just click search here again, you're going to see this one's been crushing it for a while now. And there's always going to be another one at the top. If you want to do another country, boom, right there. If you want upsells inside an offer, look for that. But you got to look for recurring, man. Recurring is great. So right here, this one is recurring. This one does have upsells, okay? And its average recurring is around like $8. So get a bunch of people in at $8. If you get 1,000 people in at $8, that's like $8 grand a month. That'll be recurring. 1,000 people is not very hard to get into recurring, especially for $8. That's what you receive, okay? I don't know how much it costs them. And if you look right here, numerologist, guys, this one's crushing it right now. And it's recurring, it's $68. So all you need to do is just send traffic to these offers on the front end. And I explain funnels just for free, okay, in a bunch of videos on my channel. What I recommend for this funnel, if I were to promote this right here, numerologist, I would basically have an opt-in on the front end, giving something for free, maybe like free YouTube training videos I find on YouTube, and I give those to people, okay? Or I make like an ebook and I give that for free. And inside the ebook, I'm selling them and educating them on this offer right here. And after people opt in for the ebook, first off, so I have an opt-in page and I'm sending traffic from many places. After the opt-in page, I'm gonna send people to a bridge page where I'm talking about numerologists and how I'm excited about it and my story about numerologists and how I like numerology. And then I'm gonna educate about the product and inform people my story about why I like this product. And then I'm going to link down below to the product in a button or something. I'm going to give a bunch of maybe testimonials of other people who've been through it and stuff. I'll ask the creator of this product to do it. Tons of people are going to buy because I'm doing the correct way of doing affiliate marketing. I'm actually affiliating for this product. I'm endorsing this product, like me. I'm doing it, right? And you can do that too. Get on a camera, make a VSL. It's called a video sales 30 promote product. After that, people just click, they promote. Then I have an email follow-up sequence because I have their email from the opt-in page, and then I follow up with them with the offer and keep sending them to it inside the ebook I created or inside the video trainings that I made about it for free. Whatever I want to do as the incentive for the offer, I link back to this offer. Okay, so I'm linking back to it forever, and the percentage is always going to buy instantly and later. So you need to follow up with them later. And plus, a bunch of other offers inside the spirituality niche I'm going to follow up with. And all of them have an affiliate page, and I'm going to literally use the emails provided to me inside my email list follow-up. I'm going to literally follow up with them automatically with all these emails to all these offers. And I'm going to direct link. The only one I'm making a VSL for, unless you want to go all out, you can make VSL for all these. You might as well. It's just going to increase your conversion rates. And if you add bonuses to offers, it's going to increase conversion rates. But most of all, in the back end, in the email follow-up sequence, I'm going to have something high ticket. I'm going to have something for like 500 or to 1,000, 100,000. I don't really care because I've charged all those types of numbers and they convert, mainly in the wealth niche. But everyone wants to make money, so you might as well just sell an offer for the wealth niche, okay, for any one of these niches, okay? This is how you make money with Clickbank and anything. Now let me show you another platform. Okay, so here is another platform other than Clickbank. It's called Digistore here, and you can literally make 100 grand per week with this, okay? This guy right here, I guarantee is making 100 grand. All these offers on this page is making 100 grand per week, most likely. Okay. Somewhere in between, definitely 10K to 100K a week with that's on this page on Digistore. And same with this first page that was on Clickbank. These offers are crushing it. Okay, so as you can see, this one pays like 500 to you. So you can basically spend 500 on ads. If you get one sale or more, you break even to profitable. So this guy right here, this is Wesley Virgin, which is a very clever online marketer, legendary. You can promote this offer on the front end. It's more low ticket. And then you can promote this one in the back end. And they do have email follow-up sequences and they do convert really well. I've made money with these. This one right here, this is a YouTube course. I've made money with this one right here. This one pays you really what I've seen. It's like $179 all the way to like $500 per sale. And I don't know why they don't say 500, but I've made 500 from this sale wise quite a few times. And this one right here, this one, if you're in the healthcare niche or whatever, they pay really well and they give 85% commission. So you guys can promote these and really crush it. This is basically how many days into the month? 28 days into the month and $102,000 on Maxbounty. This is a CPA network and there's a lot of these networks out there and you can make insane money with them and you get paid per lead on average. These are the offers they have is pay per lead. This is just half in the day so far. And I get this and I make this happen through email, YouTube, and Facebook. Okay, those are the main ones. And then you can experiment, and I've experimented with Snapchat a little bit and paid ads on YouTube for this method. and they all work. It's all about the strategy I'm covering in this video so far. Now let me explain some offers here. Let's go to search. As you can see here, search. If you go to the search, you're going to find really, really good offers. And I like to sort by EPC. And you can go to different categories to sort by EPC. But as you can see, this is one of the highest EPCs. It's $13 per click, basically. Okay, on average. And those are for affiliates on average. This one right here, it all of a sudden jumps down to like $4 for a while. And those are in the Bitcoin niches. And this is keto right here. Keto niches and legal help is this one right here. But the ones I do, let me show you. Sweepstakes, boom. Apply search, boom. Sort by EPC on average. Okay, this one right here, this is iPhone XS. Okay, for Australia, it is 0.48. I run in the United States mainly, but all over the place it can happen too. Offers redirect a lot of times based off the country someone's in when they click your link. So if you're promoting something in the United States, then when they click your link, it's going to literally redirect to another offer, okay, in another country that's similar. Now, real quick, imagine you were promoting this one. On average, you're making 50 cents per click, guys. You could basically crush it, okay, on the front end with this. And any of the other offers I showed you, but those are usually cost per sale offers, the other ones I was showing you just a second ago. If you promote something high ticket in the back end, you can basically guarantee all this being profit, okay? So I build you funnels like this inside the Done For You service. I build you funnels like this inside the mentorship. And I don't even talk about what the golden ticket method is, but it's extremely crazy. And I'm crushing with that. I'm not going to mention a thing about how to do that one. It's just as powerful as what I'm saying now, but it's just easier to implement, okay? And it requires no time per day to set up or no real skills at all. If you have skills, you should be doing this because it's going to make you crazy money. It's an income stream I wouldn't want to live without. So that's how you do Maxbounty. Moving on to the next thing. Boom! Traffic is one of those things that most internet marketers is not going to teach you because it's like the key. You could literally, if you can get traffic to anything in the world, then you can literally make so much money. Like any offer, it doesn't matter. So basically, you could use Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, etc., but you need to know how to use it. So first, you could do free traffic or you could do paid. And you have a video ad, right? People see it. A lot of people are going to see the first 5 seconds, like everyone is. And then they click skip, but some are going to watch longer. So you got to grab attention instantly, but in the first 5 seconds, you can literally call to action, or not even call to action. You can have a pop-up telling, or some branding pop-up to tell people where to go, and they can look you up later on Google. Okay, they'll remember you, especially if you add some novelty into the ad and something unique. People will find you again. So let's say you're doing YouTube or just free content in general. Most people want to do that, and you can make money on any freaking traffic source. Maybe not 100K a week, but let me explain how to do this, because wouldn't 1,000 to 5,000 to 10,000 a week be great for you? That's what you can really do with free traffic. And with paid traffic, it just accelerates things. So when you're ready for paid traffic, you'll know, because you'll have all these type of offers. You'll have low ticket, mid ticket, and high ticket and recurring offers, and you're ready to crush it. And a lot of times you can pull that off without doing any of your own products. You can do affiliate offers. So check this out. I have a couch here in the way. So, and I do it, you know, it looks nice in here, so I don't know. But let me explain this. If you have a bunch of videos, so these play button looking things are videos. And let's say this keeps going. Oops. This keeps going for a while, bro. But what they're doing is they're all sending you to one core place. They're not sending you, but they're sending people. All of these videos are to one place. And that's to buy something and to buy your affiliate offers. So all these videos, they get views every day. Whether it be one view all the way to thousands, if not millions of views, depending on the niche. And they all add up, but all of them, let's say, they're linking to one thing or a couple things in the descriptions. So all these free videos add up. So you should really, when you get started with free traffic, you can even do something called, you could do some Facebook, okay? And you just repurpose the content over to Facebook. You're also linking to the stuff you're selling. And then you're also, with Instagram, linking, okay? So now you're using Instagram as well, and you're like linking over to these things in your bio, and people are buying. And with free traffic, you could do that, but you might as well do free traffic, plus you should do paid traffic to boost all the content to your target market. And you're going to basically break even and profit. It's usually profit when you go long term with this, and it doesn't matter the niche, and you just do affiliate marketing. You can literally make 100K a week to 100K a month. And I've had days where I've made literally 50K in a day. It's crazy, with all my different income streams, not just one. And on average, you should have a lot of income streams in your life, especially in business. But that's besides the point right now. This is traffic for you. And you should do free okay, traffic, and then with paid ads, push people into the free. So let's look at this. So green will represent paid ads. So basically you get money here from all this, and it keeps cycling around, and then you use paid ads to invest into the content, to boost the content. You can boost your content to get more views and more subscribers or more followers on all these platforms. Okay, and you should keep doing that, and it's going to keep recycling. And then you can launch new products and launch new affiliate offers whenever you want and make more money. Okay, so that is how you can really crush it. Okay, make money online. It's very powerful. Anyone can do this. There are some nuances to it. There are some little things you have to learn and skill sets you have to learn, but isn't it worth it? Yeah, it's definitely worth it if you make that much money, because it's life-changing money, right? Well, you could do it, and I believe in you. It's more than possible. And remember, I came from nothing. I'm not able to do this in the past. I was not able to do this in the past. Now I could do this literally. I could set up systems. I know exactly what to do. You know exactly what to do. Let's keep going. Okay, moving on. This right here is a funnel. It's called the break-even funnel, basically, because your goal is to break even, but you're usually going to be profitable with this. So what you do, traffic source, doesn't really matter. I talk about traffic inside this video here. Next is the opt-in page, and this is all applying to whatever niche you choose. If you have each one of these elements, you're guaranteed a 7-figure business. You're going to optimize as much as you can and split test the opt-in page to opt in at the highest rate possible. You want like 50% of people who see this to opt in. Then you want to have an email collected, and you want to have an email sequence promoting more offers in the back end. Okay. And remember, that's traffic you own. That's your goal. Every email you get is basically $1 per month or more, depending on the niche, or less depending on the niche, per month, basically recurring if you think about it. Because as long as you email them and promote stuff, you're gonna be making on average per month, per person, like $1. Next, you want to send people to a sales page. And the sales page, you need to optimize like crazy to promote the affiliate offer. Now, you could go several routes with this. You could do affiliate offers, or you can actually promote your own offers and collect your own payments and do something called a tripwire funnel after this. You have a irresistible offer right off the bat, then upsells. Next is your emails. Follow up with people, and even your social media platforms. Follow up with people with high ticket stuff and recurring stuff, which is continuity, and then other affiliate offers, and you will crush it. Okay. That's the break-even funnel. You break even with traffic right here, paid ads. Then you push people to the back end stuff. This allows you to everything be profit. And this works. And it works in today's world. In the past, it just used to be traffic source to just a sales page to just one offer. And it could work, but your ROIs would be pretty low. But now it's like crazier. Okay. And even in the past, if you were to do this, dude, you'd be making like 100x plus ROIs. It would be insane because it was cheap and high quality traffic. Now it's more expensive and high quality traffic. And let's check out some more funnels. Boom, what's good, guys? Welcome to this part of the video. So you can use Facebook, Instagram, whatever traffic sources you want. You could even use Pop Blender or Push or all that. You push people to your opt-in page here. This is like a generic opt-in page or just a generic normal page or a survey page. You can go many routes with this. But what I recommend is you go ahead, you do a replica opt-in page of the sweepstake offer you're doing. So basically this opt-in page here is yours where you collect the email. And let me write it in here. People opt in here for you. Opt in your list. Then you're going to end up getting an email. Okay, if I can find how to freaking add the email. Boom. Right. Okay, yeah. Okay. And then you go here. And I love this software because it's just so cool. You just drag this. Boom. Boom. Okay. So you collect the email. You're going to follow up with people in the email with more sweepstake offers, more survey offers, all these offers. And people do convert on more of the same stuff. And by the way, people have a high percentage of converting on this offer after this. So there's this cognitive bias called the commitment consistency bias. After someone opts in here to your list, they're going to opt into another list right after that because they just gave their email to you, right? So it's like really high percentage here. You're going to have high conversion rates here. And then you're going to make money. You're going to make some money, baby. And right here, I recommend in the email follow-up sequence, you should be promoting something on Digistore or Clickbank. That's what I recommend. Something high ticket in the wealth niche because it's somewhat relevant to like winning something, okay? Because it's kind of money related. So that's what I recommend for the sweepstake funnel. This funnel is powerful. This will make you money. And the key to all of it is each element, and especially the email follow-up sequence. You on the front end, here's what the numbers look like right here. If you just did the opt-in and then to another sweepstake offer pay per lead, you're actually going to either break even or be a little bit at a loss. But the coolest part is all that's profit because right here, you follow up with more offers, okay? And you're instantly going to get sales of those and conversions. And then you need to have something high ticket because let's say you spend 500 on ads and you have something high ticket for 500. You're going to get a sale to 500 or a couple per every $500 you spend over on this end, the traffic. And then you're gonna get tons of conversions of the lead offers. I don't know how people sleep with all these opportunities. I'm telling you so much powerful stuff in this video. Okay, so this right here, this funnel right here, basically what I'm showing you here is mainly do AdWords, Facebook, and Instagram, push them to a VSL on the front end and offer a really no-brainer offer. Okay, I'm talking like 10 bucks or less for like an ebook or like a course, but you make it super cheap. Then you get an email address right there. If I can grab it, there we go. You get an email address and then you have upsells. Okay, right here. These are all upsells. You can have down sales. That's what that is. And an order bump can go on this page, which is just like getting a candy bar at the checkout at store. You can sell common household stuff. This is like called the free plus shipping funnel. And in affiliate marketing or anything to make you money online, this is another way you can make money other than Clickbank. This is extremely powerful. And you can push people to Clickbank offers or whatever you want in the back end. But this is cash flow because Stripe pays out like every 1 to 2 days. Okay. So your cash flow is insane when you collect payments yourself. And you don't need to make your own products. You can actually buy rights to products. You can buy PLR products for whatever niche. They've got products for every niche out there. It's crazy. So whatever niche you choose to do, you can find PLR products to sell. And you make them upsells, you make them all that. And you do good persuasion here, and then keep your upsells simple. Just have a headline, what it's called, have a picture of what it is, and then have a button and how much it costs. And then people click the button, then have a button. If they don't want it, they'll click no, then they'll go to the next upsell. And in the back end, you follow up with people with more offers forever. And I recommend have an opt-in page right before the sales page here, and you're gonna make money. When I say you're gonna make money with this funnel, this is like gold. Okay, so I'll leave you at that. This right here is the Clickbank funnel. Now, it looks pretty crazy, right? But it's not too crazy. And if you want to make money with Clickbank, you can literally, it all comes down to how much money you put into the traffic on the front end, and you're going to make a lot of sales on the front end because a certain percentage will always buy. That's why you need to have so many offers and so many emails happening. So if you look here, if you just invested in Facebook ads and Instagram, you could crush it. Or if you just did YouTube, even Twitter, or obviously AdWords is huge. But Affiliate is an old company I used to have, and I was so young, didn't know how to promote it, so I just gave up on it. Nowadays, if I should relaunch that thing. It's so powerful. I'll talk about it more, but I love that business I thought of. It's crazy, and it involves affiliate marketers. So if you check here, people are going to go to opt-in first. You're going to build your list, on average $1 per person on your list every single month, okay? Then you've got the sales page. And this needs to be crazy persuasive, and it needs to have a video sales letter. If you want to pay someone to do it or find a YouTube video to embed talking about it, or you want to talk about it, it's best if you share your story about the product. And then you send them to like the thank you page, and you can send them to a bunch of social media platforms, or you can instantly link to the affiliate offer, okay? Right here is what that would be. Send to the sales page and then instantly to an affiliate offer, all right? But you're collecting an email, you're going to follow up with them, and remember, you're giving an incentive in exchange for the emails. That's how you get so many clicks over here to over here and so many leads right here and getting emails. So you want to have some high ticket, once again, like high ticket products. Doesn't matter the price, depends on the niche mainly. Price does matter. But these offers you promote need to be converting good. And especially the one on the front end needs to be one of the top offers for the niche you are going into. And we're talking about Clickbank for this funnel. So it'd be one of the top offers on Clickbank that you find for that niche. Okay, and you can sort by popularity or by how many affiliates and the gravity of the offer, how many people have gotten paid. It's crazy. Okay, so right here, you're going to follow up with more offers inside that niche. And by the way, Clickbank is so cool. Digistore is so cool. They give you emails to use for these offers. So you just copy and paste the emails for a follow-up sequence. And you do an email every single day promoting an offer. I highly recommend go find articles across the web for your niche and just use those as emails giving value to people, okay? And you can have more emails there that give value, that keep people involved in your list and opening emails and loving you, okay? Email is traffic you own. It's the most powerful traffic ever. So build your email list. You're gonna make money in whatever site you use to promote offers on, whether it be Clickbank, Maxbounty, Digistore, etc. I hope you guys really liked this video. Go check out the video on the screen now and go check out other videos on the channel. Go watch some playlists. Why not? Check out links in the description, and peace out, learning machine.